whose responsibility is to raise children? Is it mother or father? Because I know a lot of people will say, our wife, our wife, our wife. Why some women tó bá ti fọmọ lé wọn lọ́wọ́ tiẹ̀ báyìí? I think who is going to take the floor first?
Okay. I think when it comes to children responsibility, when it comes to children responsibility, both parties they are highly needed. Father's presence and the mother presence, both are highly needed in a child's life, in every step and in every area of the child. Because I have seen, I'm not here to criticize single fathers or single mothers. But to me, I even believe most single fathers they take care of their children more than single mothers. So, and when it comes to taking care of children, the woman has her own part to take. Taking care of children is not bathing them, feeding them food. Oh. It has a lot of things to put in place as the child is going. So it is not one person's duty. When you say it is a woman's duty to take care of her children, then maybe we are talking on bathing them, feeding them, taking them to school. But when it comes to other things, other values, most children they fear their father more than their mothers.
That's true.
They become very scared when they see their father. So imagine there's no father figure in the child's life, and it is only the mother. So whatever the child is doing, he will not be scared of anybody. He can go at any length to do whatever he likes. So in a child's life, the father's presence is very important. Same thing with the mother's presence. But these days we have most ladies, they believe they can do everything. They don't want to stay under a man. So once they have one or two children, they just move out so they can enjoy their life. And some even do up the children with grandmothers. And I tell you, most grandmothers, they cannot take care of your children the way you want, the way you want to take care of your own children.
That's true.
So
That's
both responsibilities. That is why even before you venture into marriage, this person, can he keep a home? Can she keep a home? Keeping a home is not taking cleaning the house or something like that. It has children aspect is also part of taking care of the home. So you just have to. It is both parties. The father's presence is needed. The man's presence is needed. The woman's presence is needed. Most mothers now, even to my own mother, could you believe my own mother was asking for a cow when I wanted to do my introduction? See those kind of things. But the father will definitely reject that. He will never accept that. So there are so many mothers now. I am very sorry to say they are lost priorities. They don't even know what they want. But they just want money, 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 money. And taking care of children. It's not only money, although money is needed
Definitely.
to get things to get things done. But taking care of children goes a very long way.
That's true.
And
Mm.
both parties, it is very, very important. A woman cannot do it alone, a man cannot do it alone.
No. Mm.
So both parties have their own responsibility to take on children.
Mm.
So that is what I believe in taking care of children. It's not only about the woman or the man alone.
Mm.
Each parties have their responsibility to take.
Mm. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. This topic is actually an interesting one because uh, debate comes on this topic often and often. We've seen a lot of debate on this on social media. Who should take responsibility of the children? Maybe their upkeep, their growing up, and all that. As my co-guest have said, unless people want make I talk waiting I want hear. But if I want hear the truth, if you want me to talk the truth, it's actually the responsibility of both parties.
Mm.
See, let's give kudos to whom kudos yeah, to who kudos deserves. You see these women, Baba they try.
Mm. Just give
See,
them.
they are trying. Let me not lie to you.
Thank
If
you.
you can do, if you can do 2/10 of what they are doing inside the house
Mm.
alongside with the children, See, you said we know say no be beans.
Baby Baba.
Let's be honest with ourselves because the frustration, the stress
Mm.
that comes to keeping a home. I know that most people can relate with this, with what I'm saying. The stress is actually not easy. But at the same time, let's be honest with ourselves. As a man, don't think she be a woman. She be a woman get pikin. I
Mm.
beg, make she take care of us, make you wait till concern. I beg, I beg, take care of them. I want enter club, I want to do it with boys and all that. Fine. It's good to deal with boys. But keep your home first. How do you keep your home? See, once you make this woman happy, how will you make her happy? Money is involved. Money is very, very important. But at the same time, when she sees that she's making impact in keeping the children, in training the children, in keeping them up, you have to do your part. If you are an office man, you're a businessman, you travel for business, you do this, you do that. Always make time for your family.
Very important.
Don't make the children, mommy's children. They don't see their father. And seeing their father doesn't mean you go just sit down for house. The woman go dey run up and down, run up and down. You go just sit down, cross your leg, they watch TV or they play game or they do whatever. Say the house don't concern you. Shebi you don't say make I sit down for house. I don't sit down for house. What else do you want me to do? No. I see some men, they have too much ego to ordinarily beat their children. You are not a slave. At the same time, this is your wife where you put for house. You know be your slave. You begged to get married to her. Yeah, you begged to marry her. If you want propose, you will say, please, will you marry me? Now wait till you talk. No be say, I beg, come marry me, come enter my house. You begged. So that affection that was there before, that first feeling that you had for her, don't let it fade away because she has given birth. Don't because she has given birth. She has given birth to 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then you now say, okay, she's not the woman I used to know. No. Let us learn the habits. Let us learn the habits to always keep our woman happy because a happy family, a happy home, God will always stay with that family. I will not lie to you. I'm a living witness of what I'm talking about. So to round up what I'm saying, to round up my points, let us learn the habit of taking care of our children together. Yeah, and taking care of children together is not all about we go out together, we go to the amusement park together, we take the children out together. That's not it. See, the children needs to feel the presence of both parties.
Yes,
they need to know that. And I used to say, one thing we make mistakes, we parents, is when a father is trying to scold the child or the children, the mother will say, don't mind your daddy, don't mind your daddy. Let us learn the habit of don't do that. Don't give children a room that if I'm talking to you, you have another room to run to. Let both parties have one say when it comes to the children. Let everybody have one disciplined say when it comes to these children, because when they have the mindset that anything when my talk, na my talk am. Anything when my talk, na my talk am. Nothing way won't happen. Anything way I do, now both of them will scold me. They will get that mentality and they will be disciplined from one set.
Yeah.
It is when you have a disciplined child, when you raise a disciplined child, anywhere the child goes to or meets him or herself, it will always remember he's our parent, that no, I have a good parent. So thank you.
Oh, nice one, man. I give it to you 100. Honestly speaking, I give it to you 100. You is it dig deep or which what is the right English?
It's just the basic anyway, because maybe another time we have time to go deep. Yeah, we actually say what really needs to be heard.
I love the way you explain this. For me, I understood every word that came from your mouth. It's like I just stay under my children now. I mean, that's the children, my parents. Let I be
okay.
I will monitor each one of them.
Yeah.
Make I know how they, then I remember how they raised me, but I wish I had this kind of
mentality.
Yeah. I'll be able to, say, Daddy, you should have,
done it this way.
With mommy, so that, because, like you said, if children decided to run to mommy and believe that mommy is the savior, there can be problem.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, if you are not at home,
To be
they will not
called,
even bother.
yeah. Because mommy will not bother to scold them. Yeah.
So I think with all the explanation from the both side, I think you people have done justice to this topic. And before I forget, there is something I would like to add. When you mention about some people believe the responsibility should be for their wife only, I will mention some profession that I know, like some doctors, after work, instead of them going home, they are going to the club. When they return home around 12 a.m., is it
Yeah.
a.m.?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
12
12
midnight.
a.m. Yes, 12 midnight. The children must have.
They are asleep.
Yes.
And he wakes up early in the morning.
God bless you.
Yeah.
Now,
It doesn't
they
apply to doctors alone.
they
There are
are
professions like that. Yeah.
I'm coming.
Even men that they have what they are doing, they are on their own. They don't have to report to any boss. But once they leave the house 6 a.m. till 1 a.m. again the next morning.
Yeah.
So, some people believe that staying outside give them joy.
No.
Yeah. Or make
But
them a man.
I don't know. I don't know how they reason that way, because the people you are hanging out with outside, they are not your blood directly like your children. Or what do you think I'm saying?
Yeah.
So because if you can leave your wife, your children,
Your happy home.
That's the happy home.
Yeah, you have a happy home and you're still wailing away outside.
The children and the children are the home. The children and the wife or the partner is the home.
Part of the professions that I cannot blame the military people, because they are
Their own exception.
yes.
Yeah,
The reason being that for them volunteer to serve Nigeria, what that means to me is that they want to protect our border. You know, if you protect border, every home is protected.
Yeah.
That's why I want to put those one
aside.
Right.
But some bankers, I've mentioned doctors, some other profession that
they even have the whole time in the to do whatever they want to do in there.
To
stay in the
most of them they use that profession to cover up their shit. I'm not saying all of them do shit. I'm sorry for the language. I'm not saying most of them does negative things. But at the same time, if you want to make things work, you just have to find a way. No matter the tight schedule. We are talking about your family that is growing up. We are talking about your family. And when you see other families now, disciplined outside, you'll be like, I wish my family. No, you don't have to wish. It is you that left your home to get messed up. So thank you.
Thank you so much. That's the wrap up for today. I think the advice is to everybody who has children at home, make sure you go home early after the close of work. Make sure you let your children know that you are home. Don't let another man come and take your responsibility. So bye for now.
Bye.